work. Yo! Good job for them. Oh my God. Good morning from Teltow, Germany. Today we are in the woods. As you can see, yeah, we are in the woods. It's such a lovely day, and we came here for cherry blooms, trees, flowers, whatever. But we came too late because we didn't inform very well before coming here, because the season is over. So I guess we need to come back some other time, and yeah, we should be here like 4 months ago, but it is what it is. So we're gonna have a look here. Anyway, we are in the middle of the nature. We're gonna have a look here, walk around a little bit. Hard work. We're gonna have a look, and then yeah, people are jogging, marathon. It seems to be fun. So yeah, and yeah, so it's chilling. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Damit bin ich also auch international.
Yeah, after we need to remember how we came here. I mean, we need to walk back from where we came from, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So yeah, we are almost, I think, at the last part over there, and then we need to turn ourselves back again, and yeah, hard work, and to be honest, I don't know where we are going, because our schedule, everything was changed. So yeah, we need to figure it out what's the next thing to do. So yeah, so far I'm loving it also. I'm loving it, and what can I say, plans change, and
never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things.
hard work. Yo! People are having fun. Good job. And yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, look at the trees. Good job for them. Oh my God. I think the jogging is over, and yeah, the marathon. So we need to go, and yeah, so I think for today's vlog is over, and if you enjoy it, make sure to hit the like button and also leave your comment down in the section below. Let us know about your thoughts and everything, and it's gonna be it for now. So see you on the next one. Be safe and peace. Yeah, now we are going back